Hi! Today I want to show you a simple and effective way to practice improvisation. This is one of the first exercises I did when I was learning to improvise. The idea is to take the rhythm from a tune, hear Blue Monk, and improvise using the same rhythm. To learn it fast, first play the melody and then start improvising. All examples in this video are written down in sheet music, so you can download them for free from the link in the description below. For the first one, I'll use just one note in the right hand, playing the rhythm exactly as in the tune. You can gradually add more notes, 2, 3 or more, while still keeping the rhythm. This is a quick way to separate the melody from the rhythm and really fix the rhythm in your mind. Now I'll use the pentatonic scale, but still keep the rhythm from the melody. Now let's add the blue note. This gives a classic bluesy sound. When you know the rhythm well, try other scales. Eventually break the rhythm to play freely. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow the series. This video is a part of my project, an English language series of educational jazz accordion videos as a form of professional development for a music educator in the digital space. There will be 20 videos with free PDFs, so stay tuned. I'd be happy for any comments and likes to help the channel grow. Enjoy practicing and let me know how it goes.